Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Maureen. Today we will learn another alphabet sound. Before we begin, we will sing a rhyme. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Can you sing with me? My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. This is alphabet sound. This is. This is the new sound for today. Can you identify and point at alphabet sound? What alphabet sound is this? This is F. Join me and identify all the alphabet sound F here. Can you identify another one? Amazing. Is there still more? Good job. Now we are going to associate alphabet sound F to all the pictures of objects beginning with alphabet sound F. F as in face. F as in finger. F as in fat. F as in frog. F as in fox. F as in flower. F as in fish. F as in fan. Here we are going to match alphabet sound F to pictures beginning with F. F as in frog. F as in flower. F as in fat. Join me and identify F and match it to other alphabet sound F in the box. Good. Alphabet sound F has an uppercase and a lowercase, also known as capital letter and small letter. The name is F and the sound is F. The name is F and the sound is F. This is capital letter F, small letter F, capital letter F, small letter F. Remember, the name is F and the sound is F. The name is F and the sound is F. We have come to the end of this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.